Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 9. Let's see our today's topic. It is applications. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 13 and there is no homework on this lecture. Dear students of class 9, let's start our class with applications. There are two applications we shall learn today. So, number 1 is about the increasing common room facilities and number 2 is about full free studentship. So, look at the first one. So, suppose you are Shumon or Shumona and you are the students of Khulna Jela School. Your common room facilities are not sufficient to meet up your demand. Now write an application to your headmaster on behalf of the students requesting him or her to increase common room facilities as soon as possible. So look at our main listing. Look here. Here at first we shall give date. This 2nd May I have given today's date. You will give as your date 2nd May 2021. Okay, look here the headmaster, the Khulna Jela School, then subject. So look at the subject, it is for increasing common room facilities. Dear sir or sir, look at the body of the application. Sir, we, the students of school, of your school, so look at there is a comma. After we, the students of your school, comma, back to draw your kind attention to the following fact that our common room is not well furnished or well decorated. It doesn't provide much scope of enjoyment and entertainment. We cannot enjoy our off period for want of indoor sports materials such as carom, chess, table tennis, etc. There is no television set. It is the most important common source of entertainment. It has got educative value too. The students can see the whole world on the screen of TV and can learn many things of the world. There is no arrangement of keeping more dailies, magazines and periodicals, etc., which are part and parcel of us, for us. All these things mirror the whole world, but we are deprived of all these. Dear learners, we have given here or we have seen here the descriptions of the common room facilities. Now, all the descriptions are given below here. Now, look at next part. Under the above circumstances, we pray and hope that your honor would be kind enough to realize the problem we face and consider the matter sympathetically. Yours faithfully, Shumon or Shumona, on behalf of the students of Khulna Jela School. That means 1 number for increasing common room facilities is done. Now we will go to 2 number applications. It is suppose your father is a poor government employee. You have 4 school going brothers and sisters. Your father cannot bear your educational expenses. Now write an application to your headmaster or headmistress of your school for a full free studentship from the poor fund. Date 2nd May 2021. The headmaster, it is Akupur E.A.B High School. You can give our school's name, no problem. Muradnagar, Kumilla. Subject for full free studentship from the poor fund. Sir, I have the honor to state that I am a student of class 9 in your school. My father is a primary school teacher. He is the only earning member in our family. His income is very poor. With this poor income, he has to maintain a big family of 7 members. 3 of my brothers and sisters are studying in different schools and colleges. It is almost impossible on his part to bear my educational expenses anymore. So I am badly in need of full free studentship from the poor fund. So look at the next portion. In these circumstances or under the above circumstances, I pray and hope that your honor would be kind enough to grant me a full free studentship from the poor fund and oblige them. So look at your most obedient student, it is Tuhin. You can give your roll number, you can name and roll number, class 9 roll number 2. So dear students, today we shall learn or we have learned 2 applications. One is for increasing common room facilities, another one is full free studentship. Please keep practicing at home and try to write the application following all the applications rules. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.